Hello friend, I will show you how to install FTP software in your local machine and how to connect it. Search FTP and go this FTP FileZilla. It's free. And download FileZilla client. Click download FileZilla client and here download button and click it. Now started downloading. Go to file, pause it and agree. If you want to, if you need this, then accept or decline. I don't know, not need this, and next. If need desktop icon, then click it, otherwise ignore this. And next. Now it is installing, and next, and finish it. Open the site manager and new site like test, need host name, port, username and password. So I purchased today shared hosting. Go to Chrome browser, open Gmail, yes, account information, it's normal monthly plan. Now FTP setup, FTP host name is this one, it is my domain. Put in the host and port is by default 22 or ignore it, not needed, and username and password. Username this, login details basically, paste it, and password is this one. Click on copy and paste it. Now connect this. There gets some errors. Connection to send this one, go to this, and also we can use this on you can use it your server IP or this one. Server IP and this one. I will showing you both server IP and URL subdomain. Now it's ready for connection. It's okay, and now allow and okay. Now it is connected. If we change this host name, I can use IP. This is server IP. Now copy this one and paste it. Now okay, cancel and close it. Disconnect the server and go to the site and test. Remove this and paste it and connect. Also work IP and URL. Allow this and okay. Now it's working fine. The must be use username and password. You can use your control panel, whatever your control panel, you can use it, or IP. That's it. 3.com